Hey everyone, it's your favorite Pick Instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best coffee maker for home that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Keurig. The best single-serve coffee machine is Keurig. The Keurig coffee maker contains hot K-cups, K-mug pods, view pods. To utilize K-carafe pods, you'll need to buy a separate carafe accessory. It can brew 500 different K-pod brands and kinds. The other coffee makers do not have this functionality. The brewer also has recyclable K-cups. It brews a smooth and delicious coffee to your taste buds. You can change your settings to get your perfect coffee. The touchscreen experience makes your brewing stress-free. Keurig comes with a removable water reservoir that makes it easy to fill. The 40-ounce water reservoir can enough fill up to 4 cups. The advanced programmable control panel makes it easy to control. Keurig brewer coffee system comes with 4, 6, 8, 10 ounces to make a perfect coffee. The brew time of the carafe takes less than 1 minute. Strength control and high altitude settings are possible with the K250. Buy it and wake up your taste buds. At number 4. Ninja. Ninja is the most searchable brand in the market. If you're looking for the best coffee maker with a frother, this is the one for you. Ninja gives you the perfect cup every time. The Ninja coffee machine has 4 different coffee brews to choose from: traditional, rich, over ice, and specialty. The specialty brews offer you to make delicious lattes, macchiatos, cappuccinos, and home-style coffee. There are 6 brew sizes like a cup, XL, travel mug, multi-serve, half carafe, full carafe for your need. Use a ground to make a single-serve coffee. The fold-away frother changes the cold or hot milk to a silky smooth frother. The removable water resources make us easy cleaning. You will be able to experience delicious iced coffee that you have never tried before. It keeps the warm up to 4 hours. If you want warm milk, you need to heat it in the microwave before frothing. Otherwise, the frother will just make cold froth. Ninja Specialty will be the best hot and cold coffee maker for your perfect home. At number 3. OXO. The OXO is very convenient. Put your water and coffee in, turn it on, and come back 8 minutes later to a pot of coffee. Although it lacks a warming plate, the insulated carafe is helpful. You pour whatever amount of water you want into the tank and leave out the coffee and filter. The water is heated in the machine and then poured into the stainless carafe. The procedure is the same for brewing coffee, except without the coffee. The better brew precision keeps the temperature and brewing time in control. The thermal carafe is made of heat-sealed double-wall stainless steel. So the last cup taste should be good than the first. OXO coffee maker makes you relax, refresh and recharge. The best black coffee maker is fully programmable. The single dial allows you to program the wake-up timer and quantity. OXO Brew 9 coffee maker is the SCA certified home brewer. OXO is the most lovable product for your home. Be happier and drink more coffee. At number 2. Technivorm Mocha Master. The coffee brewer makes the perfect cup of coffee forever. The coffee is delicious, and the brew is nice and hot. This variant only has 8 cups, which is sufficient. The coffee is brewed at the correct temperature and stays warm in the carafe for at least 2 hours. The thermal carafe is made of heat-sealed double-wall stainless steel. Technivorm Mocha Master keeps the coffee hot for a while. The brew time of Technivorm is about 4 to 6 minutes. Technivorm comes with excellent design quality. No more compromise on the product. Technivorm is the best home coffee machine. Once the water reservoir is empty, the copper element is the auto stop after the brewing process. The manual adjustment has a 3-controlled toggle switch. The adjustment on the cone is permanent. Technivorm is one of the best coffee machines for the home. At number 1. Hamilton Beach. These products are made to make our life easier. Hamilton Beach is the best single-serve coffee maker. The single-serve comes with 2 brewing options, using your favorite brand of coffee or using ground coffee. There are 2 easy fill reservoirs. The easy touch programming makes us the wake-up coffee ready. And it allows you to pour yourself before the brewing cycle gets finished. It comes with automatic pause and pours. When you pick the single brew option, the pot warmer shuts off. You switch it back to the pot and hit power after brewing a single serving cup, and the pot warmer comes back on. Hamilton Beach makes excellent coffee and keeps it hot for the pot and single servings. It takes up some counter space, but it also serves as a traditional coffee maker and a single-serve brewer, so if you have both, it saves room. For your needs, you'll need to use K-cups or separate filters. Hamilton is the right pick for your home and office. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.